is Jerome Joseph. I am on the Royal Caribbean cruise, a 15-story huge cruise. While I was here, I saw something very interesting. I saw an organization that had brought all the employees here to have fun and have a really good time. And I started thinking about a lesson that I learned from just looking at some of these employees and they're talking. One of them was on his phone, on Facebook, sharing about this company retreat. And I kind of looked across and I saw him telling all his other friends, hey, start sharing, let the world know that our company is here celebrating. So this is my tip for you, for your brand minute. I want you to start thinking about what you can do for your employees, not by bringing them on the cruise, that's secondary, but what you can get them to do to advocate the brand and to celebrate the brand. Today we come in the era of participation marketing, where it's so crucial for every employee to be able to be a champion for their brand. What are you doing to create these champions in your organization? What are you doing to get your employees to talk about your brand, bust about your brand, to participate in the brand? So my name is Jerome Joseph, and my brand tip for you is start creating brand champions. Start creating brand champions that participate in your marketing, that talk about your brand and celebrate your brand to the entire world. I wish you success in building a team of brand champions in your organization.